is up? Check out my last video I did. Literally, I did it probably a couple minutes ago. I just uploaded it, but go check out that out. Okay, just check it out. It's Nintendo is taking money from YouTube. If you're already subscribed, there's one down after this video. So let's get started on burps though. Yes. Itch. Yes. That's crappy. What?
Are you recording that?
Yeah, why? Oh, crap. I kind of did it on purpose, just so you know, but just purposely was being a dumbass into that. I'm just laying off here. Bitch. Channel. Woo! Last burp. Hope the next video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you didn't understand that. And goodbye. Peace out.